Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the pose pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose 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 with the fans. Pose with the fans. Fans.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. How may I assist you today?
Waalaikumsalam. I would like to open an Islamic saving account for my daughter.
Okay, please wait a second. This is your number. You may have a seat for a while and wait for us to entertain you when your number appear on the screen. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing here?
Oh, I would like to open an saving account for my daughter.
Is it your daughter?
Yes, she's nice to school.
Oh, so cute. Oh, my number is
8036. Please come to the counter.
nice to meet you.
A few moments later.
5803. Please come to the counter.
Hi, good morning, Miss. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I would like to open an Islamic saving account for my child today.
Oh, can I see her my key and other supporting document?
Sure. Internet.
Thank you. Fill the information here and sign here.
Excuse me. I saw there are some product that stated in the form. Which one is the better for my daughter?
Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me brief a little bit about the product. We have a few options for Islamic saving account that are suitable for children. However, we have a special program that's called Junior Saving Account, and I can help you to apply for it. Actually, these accounts are based on Sharia contract of Mudarabah, which means the bank will invest your deposit and then share the profit with you.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Yes, it is.
That's
Thank you.
Excuse me, can you tell me more about the program?
Oh, sure. I will call my manager to explain it further for you.
Okay.
I'm sorry for disturbing you. There are customers that need an explanation further from you about the saving account junior. Can you explain it to them?
Yes.
Okay, miss, you can wait over there. The manager will explain further about the junior saving account.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, good morning, Miss. Okay, I presume that you want to know more detail about junior saver, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is called junior saver, and it is designed to for child age 12 and below. We also provide a higher hibah rate, which is 1.5% compared to the regular rate 1%. So also it has advantages that the minimum deposit is only 20 ringgit. Okay. Next, I will talk about the modus operandi of the account. You can make a deposit and withdrawal at any time. And at the end of each year, you will receive hibah. That 1.5%.
Oh wow, that's great. But how the hibah is calculated?
Hibah is calculated from the profit that is generated from our investment. At the early stage, in the contract, we will agree the ratio for the customer and the bank. Okay. The rate is determined by bank and it can change from time to time.
I think I want to apply the junior savers account.
Oh, great. Then you can proceed to the counter file.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Have a great day.
Hi Mrs. Your application is being processed. Once your child's application of the card is approved, you will receive debit card and confirmation slip.
Okay, thank you.
Miss, congrats. Your child's account has been approved. Now let me assist you on how to activate the debit card and use our online and mobile banking services. This is your card, debit and account confirmation.
Okay, but how to activate this card?
To activate your debit card, you can either call our customer service hotline or visit any of our branches. Our online banking services is called AFIN Online. You can access it through website or mobile apps. For the mobile apps, you can download it from the Play Store or Google Play. Okay, with our online and mobile banking services, you can check your account balance, view the transaction history, transfer file and others.
Understood. Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
Meanwhile,
I will set up your account for you. Can you put your thumb here? Okay. Your daughter? Alright. Okay, thank you.
later.
Miss, congrats. Your child's account has been approved. Okay, this is the debit card confirmation. Okay, here have number account. After you deposit your money using the ATM, you can use your account. Then we are done. Anything you'd like to know, please contact our customer service.
Thank you so much for explaining everything to me.
Okay,
Okay. Morning. So I think that's all from
Bank manager, bank manager. Dah, 1, 2, 3 ya. Hi, Assalamualaikum. How may I assist you today? Tak payah cakap. Terus.